What do I mean? What's the third way to make money? By making YouTube videos. Hey, don't leave me, don't leave me. Welcome back to my channel. My name is Simi, and if you're here for the first time, you're most definitely welcome. Do not forget to subscribe, like this video, and share with your friends. I would like to thank my subscribers. You guys are awesome. We made it to 100 subscribers last week. I would like to thank you guys. I love you guys. I would not have been able to do it without you. If you're not subscribed, please, Biko, I don't know, Emma Binu, Ejo, please subscribe to this video. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to like this video. So today I'm going to be talking to you guys about how to make money from home, at the comfort of your home, remotely, virtually. Yes guys. So without further ado, let's get right into this video. Okay, hi guys. So as I said earlier, I'll be teaching you how to make money remotely. We all know that this pandemic has affected a lot. Most companies are going virtual. Some companies have sacked people from their offices. Some people have lost their jobs. Some are taking pay cuts. But yeah, I'm going to teach you how to make some money or some extra cash at least from home. So yeah, so let's get started. I'm going to be downloading some wisdom today so you guys can learn how to make money. Alright, so the first way to make money is by giving a service, so something that you know how to do, something that you know you're very good at. So for instance, cooking. Yes, so you can start a food business. That's the first thing. You can start a food business, and if you love to cook, if you know how to cook, if you cook good food, you can start a food business. You cook at home, have it packaged nicely, then you advertise on your WhatsApp status, on social media, your Instagram story, your Snapchat stories, or get a social media influencer to advertise for you, get your friends to advertise for you, family to advertise for you, and then have people order, and then you deliver to them. So as we all know, due to the lockdown, almost all restaurants are closed. And if they're not closed, then you can only go there to pick up food. You cannot eat in the restaurant, so most of them are delivering food online. So that's a good way to start a business during this period, and you can grow it into something bigger eventually when the pandemic is over. So another way, number 2, that you can make money is by selling, drum roll please, by selling hand sanitizers. So yes, due to the pandemic, there's a high demand for hand sanitizers, and the price has even gone up. I'm not saying that you should make hand sanitizers and inflate your prices. No, that's not what I'm saying. What I'm saying is that you can make hand sanitizers, and this is the best time, and you can sell them. You can sell them to schools, sell them to organizations, sell them to hospitals, sell them to the government if you have Connect. You get, because Connect is like everything. So if you have Connect, you can sell to the government. So yeah, by selling hand sanitizers. You can also make your face masks. There are people that make Ankara face masks, though I don't know how protective those ones are, but they are washable and reusable, so, and you can disinfect them. So you can make face masks and sell face masks. The third way to make money, so guys, I'm going to be reaching out for my notepad because I have everything written down here. I'm about to download all this wisdom for you guys. Okay, for free. Alright. So the third way to make money, and right now I'm going to be joining the Don't Leave Me challenge. Yes, so you guys are going to guess this third thing. So the third way to make money is by, what am I doing? I'm making videos, right? For who? I'm making videos for you guys. And what is this? This is a tube of concealer. So what other ways to make money? By making YouTube videos. Hey, don't leave me. So yeah, by making YouTube videos and uploading your videos on YouTube. So if you can push out really great content, because people are home this period, if you can push out great content, then yes, people will definitely watch your videos, and it's a good time to grow your channel. Even though yeah, YouTube is like a long-term thing before you start making money, but if you push out good content, you post consistently, that's something that I should learn to do. Yeah, post consistently, then people will definitely subscribe to your channel. Please guys, subscribe to my channel. If you have watched this video up until this level and you know you're subscribed, or you've not liked this video, please subscribe to this channel, click the bell button and click the thumbs up button to like this video. Don't forget to share also. It will really go a long way in supporting my channel. So yes, so YouTube videos. Then the fourth way is to be a freelancer or to do remote jobs. So there are a couple of websites where you can go and get remote jobs, and I'll be listing them out. I'll also drop them in the description box, so please don't forget to check the description box. Also drop some comments if you like this video and show me some love, guys. Thank you so much. So the first website is flexjobs.com. There's weworkremotely.com, jobs.remotive.io, staff.com, virtualvacations.com. So I will drop this in the description box below. So the fifth way is by joining a networking business. Yes. So right now I have joined Oriflame, which is a Sweden company, and they're into skincare products, body care products, like full body care from your head to your feet. So we have things to take care of your hair, your face, your body, your feet, everything. Their perfumes also, their deodorants and so many other things. So I'm a consultant, a brand consultant, or a brand partner with Oriflame. So yeah, so there are two aspects of Oriflame, which is the aspect where you sell, and then there's the networking aspect. So you sell and you make immediate profits, but for the networking, you get people registered under you. These people also buy to sell, or also for the same networking purpose. These people, whatever they buy or purchase, the bonus points will count for you. So for every product that is purchased, every product has a bonus point. So whatever bonus points or whatever products you buy or they buy, the bonus points will count for you. And then if they get people to also register under them, those bonus points will also count for you. So everyone in your downline, the products will count, the bonus points will count for you, and then you get paid monthly based on the number of bonus points that you have. You also have access, even if you don't make up to the, like if you don't make a lot of bonus points, you still get free gifts monthly depending on how many bonus points you also make. So you can also do both. You can sell and also do the networking aspects too. Yeah, it's a win-win. Another networking business that you can join, I don't have the name yet, but it's like a recharge card networking business. You sell recharge cards to people, you get paid, you also get people to join, and then you get paid depending on how much recharge cards they buy. And yeah, that's pretty much it. And as they get more people under them, registered under them, you also get paid. So like that's how you can make money. So I think the fifth way which you can make money is by renting your house on Airbnb. So if you rent your house on Airbnb, you get paid by the, should I say, tourist or the person using your house for those couple of days or months. Another way that you can make money is by renting your car. You can also join Uber. So if you lost your job and you have a car, you can join Uber. Or if you have an extra car that is just sitting at home, like throughout the day while you're at work or doing something else, you can give that car out, get a driver, you pay the driver a certain percentage, and then you get your own certain percentage. And yeah, the driver drives the car and you get paid weekly. Another way you can make money is by forex trading. So I've heard of IM Academy. You start with a certain amount. You don't just start trading without getting proper knowledge on how to trade. So IM Academy, you pay a certain amount and then you get materials, you get lectures on how to trade. They also give you like different things, or they teach you how to trade. They give you like expos and everything, so even if you're not really good, they give you what exactly to put, or I don't know how to put it, they give you what exactly to enter in order to like make money and all that and trade. So that's IM Academy, and IM Academy also has a referral system, so like the networking business. So the more you get people to register under you, then you get paid weekly. So there's some people that earn $150 weekly. I think that's for 3 people. If you get 3 people registered under you, you earn $150 weekly, like weekly, constantly, till forever. You keep earning your $150. There's some people that get up to $1,000. I think that's for like 10 people or so. So weekly. So imagine getting $1,000 weekly. That's a whole lot of money, right? And you don't even need to trade. Just get people to be registered under you. You don't need to trade. Just a referral system, and you keep getting your money like on a steady weekly. So that's another way to make money. I've lost track of the numbers. Sorry. So another way to make money is by babysitting. So if you've lost your job, or if you're supposed to be in school and you're not in school, business is going back to normal slowly, so people are going to be going back to work. You can babysit for moms or for parents or for single dads and all of that. You can babysit for them while they go around to do other things, and then you get paid for babysitting. The next point is, I think this is the 12th point. Yeah, this is the 12th point. So the next point, or the last point, is by investing your money in a business, or in, I don't know, a sector, but investing your money in something that brings returns. So investment is very delicate. You need to know how to study the market. You need to know when to put in your money and when to bring it out. There's nothing you do in this life, like they say, nothing good comes easy. So whatever you're going to do to make more money or to succeed, you need to take risks. I know that a lot of people are scared of taking risks. A lot of people don't want to go into forex, but man, people that were into forex before the pandemic started, right now they are cashing out, and it's not too late, because we all know how much naira to dollar is right now. It's about 450 naira. $1 is about 450 naira right now. So imagine if you were doing forex before the lockdown, and then now you're trading, like if you bought dollars before the lockdown, and now you're selling it for naira. Imagine how much money you would have made. So everything is a risk, yeah, but it's a risk worth taking, because if you make money from it, then that's good for you. Do you understand? So also, we should also learn that in whatever we do or whatever we're investing, we don't put in too much money. So you can do it little by little, and so that at the end of the day, you don't go bankrupt if your investment fails and all. So yeah, I hope you guys have learned from all that I've given you today. I hope I've been able to download some wisdom for you guys. If you love my content, please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. I'll be back again with so many more interesting topics that you can learn from. Trust me guys, I have so much that I want to talk to you guys about. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Please like my video and click the notification bell also, so you get notified whenever I post a video. Thank you guys for watching this video. I love you guys. Bye.